cooking, like just cooking, and all of a sudden, the smoke detector, the smoke alarm went off. Like, hey guys, welcome back to Marla's World. If you're new here, welcome to Marla's World, and don't forget to subscribe to be a part of the family. Ooh. Anyways, guys, so this is not a mukbang, but I'm eating as always. So I'm just having mac and cheese, baked mac and cheese, curry chicken, and white rice with. Guess what I'm drinking? Let me know in the comment what you think I'm drinking. But anyways, guys, so let's get into the video. My most embarrassing moment that just happened like not even an hour ago. So guys, the fire truck came here. Let me tell you why. So I'm cooking, like just cooking, and all of a sudden the smoke detector, the smoke alarm went off. But here's why. Like, I wasn't burning anything like that. Like, see, as you can see, the food isn't burned at all. But the mac and cheese, the cheese was overflowing from the pan that it was in. So because of that, it like fell at the bottom of the oven, and from that it just started smoking up. And then our fire detector went off, alarm, it went off, and Jafar turned it off, and I opened the door because I wanted to get the smoke out. And by doing that, I set off the main one. Actually, I don't know if that's why. I feel like it would have went off regardless, because I've heard it happen to people in the apartment before, so I'm not quite sure. But yeah, so we couldn't turn it off because it's like it's a huge apartment complex. So like the fire department, they came and they dealt with it. But I was pretty embarrassed. I wasn't embarrassed because I was a little bit embarrassed because like my food wasn't burned. So like, oh yeah, it's not like, oh, she can't cook, she burnt it. So like I wasn't embarrassed because of that, but I was embarrassed that they had to come here and they had to use the fan or whatever. But we're all good and our food is all good. So like I'm not worried, but it was so embarrassing, like having them come here and having to explain to them like, oh, it's just a cooking incident, like, because it's never happened to me before. So like I had no idea how it worked or whatever. And they're like, I'm like, do you have to come in and use the fan? They're like, yeah, we have to use the fan. And they fan out the house for like maybe a minute or two. Yeah, it wasn't long because like it was just the oven. Like there was no real fire, like flames or anything like that. So it was just a cooking incident. But like it was pretty embarrassing just having them all come here. It was like 5 big dudes. Like they were super tall and like, yeah, they were big. And Bella was scared of them. She started crying. But yeah. Oh my gosh, poor Bella. I feel bad for her, but I don't know why she was scared of them. I don't know, maybe it's the truck. I don't know. But anyways.
She said they were big and tall and they had all them stuff in them.
Oh yeah, so they were big. Yeah, I could see why they were big and tall and they're like wearing these suits and whatever. So yeah, I could see why. But yeah, it was pretty embarrassing to say the least. But like I said, we're all good. We're all fine. And Bella is not. She's not crying anymore because of that. She's fine. We're all fine. There is no real fire. Oh, somebody actually came down here before the fire truck came. Like, somebody came down here and just say, oh, we're just checking to see if y'all good. And I felt so bad. Like, I just kept wanting to explain, okay, we're not burning anything. It was just the oven. Like, I felt like I needed to explain myself because I was so embarrassed. Like, okay, we didn't burn, like, anything like that. Like, it was an embarrassing moment. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But yeah. The chicken is pretty good. The rice is fresh. My mom says I cook for sick people because my rice is never salt. Never. I put a little bit of salt, but I don't put too much. Like a little bit.
You know what I mean?
But it's good. Let me tell you the mac and cheese taste.
Thank you very much. I am full. I feel good. I want to go back to sleep now.
Mac and cheese is good too.
I got some schoolwork I need to do.
This is really good. No one there for seconds. Guys, my food is on fleek. Even though the fire truck came, it's still. It's still good. No, it's really good. And usually when I cook the same day, I usually say I don't like how it tastes or I can't eat much, but like it tastes really good. Like I could finish this, but I'm not gonna finish it on camera. But yeah, I can finish it. So guys, I know I've been MIA. I promise I'll be more active. I will be posting one video a week or once a week because now I have work and I have school, but I do want to remain consistent. So if that means posting one video every week, and if I have extra videos then I could post it like during the week, then that's fine. But my schedule right now is to post a video every Sunday. So yeah, that's what I want to do right now. So I'll try my best to post a video every Sunday. But yeah, I've been MIA mostly because I've been dealing with some stuff. I have been trying to get a house, and unfortunately I found a house. I put in an I found like 4 houses that I liked, but they overbid me on 3 of them, and then the one that went through and everything, the foundation had cracks in it. So because it had cracks in it, I had to walk away, unfortunately. And so now I'm still in my apartment. I think I'm most likely going to be in my apartment for another year. Mainly because like the housing market right now is crazy. Like if you see a house for $230,000 and you bid $240,000, right? You're still not gonna get picked. Like you're not. And it's crazy because it's like, is it even worth that much for you to be bidding that much in the first place only to get overbid? Like, it's a crazy market. It's definitely a seller's market. It's not a buyer's market at all. And I don't want to just rush into something because say, oh, I want to move out and go on my own. Like, I don't want to rush into something and buy a house and then like it's just not worth it. Like, you got to make sure like everything is right. The interest rate is really low, which is good, but then you have to actually think about the value of the house itself. Like, how much will you be paying and all that stuff. So like I decided to just wait at this point because I don't want to run into it and then I'm all stuck with like, because right now I live in my apartment and everything is taken care of. I literally only have to pay my rent. Well, now they're changing something, so I have to pay my electricity, which is fine. But like, imagine being in a house where like it's not worth it only because you're just trying to move kind of thing, and then you rush into such a big purchase and you're not feeling it. Yeah, so I decided just to wait until next year when the market turns around. It should turn around by then, hopefully. I think it will though, because interest rate is already going up, which is a good sign, because before Corona interest rate was higher and then it dropped to like 2 point something, and now it's going back up. So yeah, so that's one of the reasons why I've been away. The second reason I want to tell you guys, I am going back to school. And I am so excited. Usually I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm not too nervous because I am going back mainly for accounting. So if you watched my previous video where I did like the Q&A, then you would know that I have my master's my MBA in finance, and so I didn't take a lot of accounting classes because my bachelor's is also in finance. So I want to do a accounting certification. So that means, yeah, you guys have to owe me accounting. But anyways, that's a whole other story. So that means I need a few more accounting classes. So here's the thing. I studied business in high school in Jamaica. Like, if you know, in Jamaica, it's like totally different from most of the high schools here, because like it's like you pick your path from here in grade 9 or 9 into 10. See, in grade 9, I was only taking like 10. I was only taking like English, maths, and science, and then the rest of my classes were business classes, which means I took accounting. So when I came here and I went to community college, I hated accounting because like all the things that I already did in college, in high school, I was doing it in college. It was literally the same thing. Not even kidding. So because of that, I was like, this is boring. So I was like, yeah, I can't do accounting. So that like turned me away from accounting, because I was going to do accounting from the job, but then it turned me away. So I went to finance because finance is broader, and with a finance degree you can work in accounting. So, but here I am, and I still need some more accounting classes to do the certification that I need, or that I want, because technically I don't need it. But yeah, so that's what's been going on with me. But I promise you guys I will be more active, and I promise I won't set off the smoke alarm again, the fire alarm again. I promise. Whew. That's sad. Okay, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'll be more active. Oh, and the most important thing, I will be doing a giveaway. As you already know, I met my 1K subscribers, so I am going to be doing a giveaway. Let me know what you guys would like. So I'm thinking of doing two gift cards, like $50 each. That's what I'm thinking right now. But I don't know if you guys want me to do like a $50 gift card and then a $25 gift card, and then I could just give away some credit on it will be live. It will be a live video. So let me guys know, what do you want? Two $50 gift cards, so that's one option. It will be for like Amazon, or I don't know. You can also comment like where you want the gift card for, but I feel like Amazon is like, okay, everybody could buy something from Amazon. So let me know, guys, if you want that, or you want a $50 gift card, a $25 gift card, and then the option to win some credits, like $25 worth of credit. So let me know, whether it's split between people, whatever the situation is. But let me know what you guys want to see, and or how you guys want it to go, and I will be giving away the credit. I think I'm aiming for the end of March, so yeah, I don't know the date yet, but I will let you guys know as soon as possible. I'll create a flyer and I'll let you guys know. I'll provide more information in the next video that I'll be doing, so look out for more information, because I'll be giving information based on the comments I see below. So let me know what you guys think, and I will do it. I'm gonna eat my food because I'm hungry and I can't eat cute on camera. It's just annoying. Bella, you want to say hi? Come say hi to my YouTube. Say hi. Tell them what you've been doing. What, you been at school? How you like school? How do you like school?
I like school when I see my friends.
You like seeing your friends?
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes school and she likes seeing her friends, and yeah. What else?
And I love being with my family.
Okay. But anyways, guys, me and Bella have a video coming up. It's gonna be fun. I'm actually excited for it because it's something we've both never done before, right, Bella?
Yeah.
You want to show them?
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's right here.
Yeah, you could show them a sneak peek. This is what we'll be doing in the next video. We will be doing a tie-dye t-shirt for the very first time, and we're excited.
Yeah, and my mom has to help me do this because I don't know how to do that.
Yeah, we're excited. So we need to buy a shirt, and then we'll do the video.
Yeah,
and hopefully it comes out good.
I'm putting this back.
Yeah. So Bella is my best friend, right?
Yeah, but I said something when I was in there.
She's my best friend, and I'm her best friend too, right?
Yeah, but
Were you scared when the fire truck came?
yep, sure I was.
Why?
Because I hate strangers.
Guys, we will see you in the next video, and until then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yeah.
And tell your friends to tell their friends, because this giveaway is going to be fun.
Yeah, I went away.
Alright. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
Bye.